What's up guys? It's me Lance again. And for tonight's recipe, it is Adobong Pusit. We are all craving for Adobong Pusit for how many days already? It is now time to satisfy our cravings. Let's chop the ingredients first, starting off with garlic, onion, tomatoes, and lastly, ginger. I just cut it into strips. Now I can start cooking the adobong pusit now. Just make sure that the oil is hot already. And then put the ingredients starting off with garlic and onion, ginger, and lastly tomatoes. When the tomatoes are soft already, you can now add the pusit. Don't add water. The pusit will just produce its own juices as what you can see now. You can actually add chili on it according to your preference so that it will be spicy. Now it's cooked and ready to serve. It's time to eat! At the end of the day, this is something I always look forward to. Almost all human connections and friendships revolve upon sharing food. It fosters trust between those who eat the same food together. Now it's time to satisfy our cravings. I got good reviews from them, guys. We ate all of it and we were full. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you were entertained and feel free to comment some suggestions and recommendations. See you on my next one. Bye!